Hi friends, welcome back to the another episode of Carbon Customs. So today we modify this handmade gypsy off-roader into a RC car conversion. So first you can see in video there is a lift spring with a dummy tire setup, dummy differential setup. But now we are made differential from this gear motor, and we make the differential from this car. You can see the tire is, we are using these tires always, and but first we remove this slip spring or this shaft. You can see this slip spring are also working condition. In front also we are installing turning mechanism like a steering system and also a shock absorber. Now we remove the body. And under the body you can see the dummy engine. Basically it's a carburetor of 50cc engine, you can see, and there is a rear differential, and you can see we take this car in box, and you can front we have to remove fully, and you can see in hood there is a empty engine box. So stay tuned for update. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.